All right, good morning, folks. It's Thursday, 2 trading days left in the week, and it's been a wild one. We've had the markets down Monday, Tuesday, markets rally yesterday. Oil's been all over the place, down again this morning. FX has just been crazy. We've had S&P 500 companies reporting all week, some good, some really good, some not so good, like Netflix. Another big day of earnings today. Yesterday, with regards to FX, Canadian dollar. Now, we talked about this yesterday morning. Bank of Canada meets yesterday. They come out, say that they're going to look to raise interest rates in full year 22, cut back on their bond purchases. So they're seeing the economy improving and coming out of the tail end of this pandemic here in full year 22. So with that, what did we see? We saw that Canadian dollar rally 4% over the course of the day. Big move yesterday, now at one spot 25. Now today, we have the European Central Bank meeting. Same could be said potentially for the euro. Right now it's sitting at one spot 20. If the ECB comes out and alludes to the fact that they may raise interest rates in the future or trend back their bond buying program, we could see that euro rally, and it could rally hard. So it's going to be a big day today. Let's get ready. Let's get in there. Let's trade. I'll talk with you folks tomorrow.